is Ali Sulaiman from Oman, Suhar. My project title is Kunto. This is the home page of my web app. This is the name, Kunto. It has no meaning. Just I like this name and make it the title of my project. So here we have register and login. If you're new to the web app, just click register. And if you have already account, just click on login. My username is Ali, and 123 password. Okay, this is if you logged in, login and register button will go. Now we have profile. Profile will give you information about you, like the username and number of day you sign your achievement, and give you the ability to change your username and password like that. This name I want it to be BXLL. Okay, this just if it wasn't in the database, it will be changed. If it was in database, it will not change. Okay, change. Now it wasn't in database and changed. And the password is same. Now if we go to my document, here we have the day this achievement will go for. This is the ID of the table. Now if you enter your achievement, okay, and then add, this will be day 2. Now I will come back to restart button, but if we go to history and enter day 1, here you will see the your achievement in day 1. Now if you go again to my document page, if you enter press or click restart, it will pop up alerts from JavaScript. You will lose all your progress. Just click OK, and everything in the achieve table will be deleted, and you will be start entering again. Now if you press logout, the system will log you out from the system from the website, and you can go back to and log in. BXL, okay, BXL 123. That's